You know when you've been with your man for 1 year and you feel like you just locked in, like y'all just locked in. That's how I feel like with this hair. We locked in forever.
Give me my check. Put some respect on my check.
Hey y'all, this is Aalaire. Come back to you with another review. And this review will be on the Kendra's Boutique hair. And you already know it is 1 whole year, okay? Y'all been waiting for this for so long. And I'm not even gonna lie to you. I feel away because I really didn't come to you guys with it sooner, but I really wanted to know when this was gonna give out. Like, is the shine, like, what's going on? But they did their thing or whatever. They prayed over this. Okay, so this hair, as you guys should know, is from Kendra's Boutique. The closure itself is a 16-inch. And in the bundles, there are 3 bundles in there. One of them is a 20-inch and the other 2 is a 22-inch. I also dyed it jet black. And as you guys already know from the initial review, that I put it into a wig. And I actually made this girl do it. It's from House of Bubble Glam. So remember, I have an initial review video up. And I'm going to put the link into the description bar below. So you guys could at least check it out and see what's going on, so that now you guys could have an idea, you know, let's go with the flow or whatever. But remember, like, subscribe, and share, and I would truly appreciate it, please. Thank you so much. Let's start with the shedding. For this hair, I can definitely say there is minimal shedding. Like, the only time I ever experience any hair coming out is when I'm washing it or when it needs to be washed. Literally, I don't really get shedding or anything. Like, you see me running my hair through it, right? And I get nothing. Let me look at this. Somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at this. Do y'all see that? No, y'all don't, because it's not there. Now let's get into this texture. It is so smooth, like from the day that I got it. I think, to be honest, it's so soft, and to be honest, I feel like maybe it's a little softer than the time that I did get it. I don't know. But honey, it is soft. Like, trust me. Y'all will, I can't stop running my hand through this, okay? I really can't, because it's like, it baffles me. Okay, so now the shine. I love that it's not shiny, like synthetic shiny. You know, you have that shiny where, you know, you look like, girl, you need to get them back their hair, because that shit is too shiny. When it's too shiny, that look like it's synthetic, okay? But this, it's like, it's just, I don't know, like, it's not shiny to the point that it looks synthetic. It's like, so it is. That's all I gotta tell you. But it's not shiny. It's like a nice, it's not dull, it's not shiny, it's in the middle. That's all I gotta tell you. So tangling, only time I get tangling is if I need to wash it. Like, you know, sometimes you're busy and you don't get time to wash it, or you just throw somewhere. But I don't really get tangling. Like, literally, it's like you put your hand through it, you're good. Like, it's not tangle. I would not say tangle. You get a little nap because you done put it on and you did all your thing, what you want to do with it, and then you just threw it somewhere, and then you like, oh, yeah, I probably should have. But it's not, trust me, it's not bad at all. Once you pour some water in it and, you know, conditioner, it comes right back. Like, your brush goes through it nicely, okay? Now the softness. I already told you guys the softness is great. It is, that's all I gotta say. It's soft. It's soft it's as soft as I got it from before. Maybe a little softer, as I said, right? Right? Okay, curling. I could curl this, literally, I could curl this, and it lasts all week. 2 weeks, okay? It will drop a little, but it's still curl and wave. Like, literally, it holds a curl. But I feel like it would, especially if you get like a body wave. Now, overnight wear. Honey child boo, I could wear this overnight and nothing will happen to it, okay? Like, it is great. Like, I wear this and I don't have on a cap or anything, and then I wake up in the morning and it's like nothing ever happened. I mean, it looked like messy, but when I run the comb through it, it's like great. Nothing is wrong with it, you know? The smell, as I told you guys before, and I told you guys already to look at the initial video so that you guys could see like what exactly I did. Well, not see, but hear what I did. there's no smell anymore. Before there was a little smell, and I put fabric softener and I literally let it soak in the fabric softener. And to be honest, I feel like after a while when you keep washing it and stuff, it doesn't give you that odor or anything. Like it was a small little corn chip smell. You know that little corn chip smell? Like you like, no. Yeah. But to be honest, I think it just goes away with time. I don't smell it. My cousins don't smell it. My friends don't smell it. Nobody smells it, okay? Okay, so now let's get to the maintenance part because we already, you know, established what's going on over there. But maintenance. I shampoo this. I do a lot of co-washing. For my shampoo, I'm going to show you guys what I use. I use this shampoo. It's Design Essential. And this is the Honey Cream Moisture Retention Super Detangling Conditioning Shampoo, because I like that it has moisture into it. We're talking about weave. We're not talking about our own hair. We're talking about weave, okay? So I use this, and that's for shampooing my hair. And, you know, same whatever. So for conditioner, I use this, and this is the Tresemme Moisture Rich Luxurious Moisture Shampoo for dry and damaged hair. And sometimes I just leave it on overnight, leave it on for the whole day. I just wash it when I remember. Now, when I'm not busy, that's when I wash it, okay? Because I feel like the longer you leave it in is the better. Like, you know, like. And then also, the next thing I use is a leave-in conditioner. And that's when it's wet. I will use the Argan Oil from Morocco Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. I just use this. And that's when it's wet. I just spray it on there and then let it air dry and, you know, go about its business. You know, your hair needs some time away from you. And trust me, this is my go-to hair. I don't just, oh, I wear it once in a blue moon. No, this is my go-to. My go-to, okay? Treatment. I mainly use, well, not mainly. Sometimes I use a silicone, bamboo, and then what I do is I like plaster a lot on the hair, and then I put it into a plastic bag, and I put it into the microwave. And sometimes I'll use that and some of this together, or I'll just use this. And I'll just put it in the microwave, put in the bag, put it in the microwave, and I put it in for like 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then I take it out and leave it out for a minute, okay? And then I wash it out again. But that's like the main things I do. I don't use oil in this hair. You don't need any oil, like none. And don't blow dry your hair. Please don't. Like, if you blow dry, you could blow dry your hair, but blow dry your hair after it's done air drying, so you're not using that much heat on it, because you still have to flat iron your hair or whatever you do, right? The other hair that I got from Kendra Boutique, okay? I got another hair. I'm gonna show you guys exactly, but I use that for like when I do my micro links, and that one, it sheds a little bit, but it has no smell. It didn't have a stench of smell. Like this one had a little corn chip smell, right? But the microlink one didn't have not even one. And it's the same bundles. Those bundles were like, what, 16 inch or 20 inch, something like that. But that didn't have any smell at all, okay? So I'm like, where did I get that hair from, Kendra? And there was no shedding on that. Well, lies. There was a little shedding on that one. Just a little bit though. It's like, you know, just one little, two little hair. It wasn't crazy. It wasn't all over my bathroom floor. It wasn't nothing like that. And I feel like mainly is when you need to wash it, that's when it really sheds, because it's like, come on now, like you playing with me right now. Like, you're not giving me no love. So, you know, give it a little love. And then tangling, no tangling at all. None. None. Okay? Then I also got another one, and I'm turning into a wig now. And that one is, I got a frontal, which was an 18 inch, and then I got 3 26-inch bundles. But I think I want to put in 2 more bundles, 1 or 2 more bundles. I don't know which one, but I'm thinking I want to put in 1 or 2 more bundles because I want it to be very full. And that one is natural straight. I should just wait until I get the 2 bundles, and then I do it because I know it's going to be lit. Can't nobody tell me nothing with 26 inches. Baby, it's 26 inches. What you want to do? What you want to talk about? Nothing, because you can't even afford this. Overall, I feel like the hair is really good. You know, you might get a little sniff here or whatever, but it's doable. Okay, you could work with it. And also, I have not experienced really any shedding from all three of the hair, just a little smidget on the micro link. But I feel like probably because I cut it, that's why you see it. A little shedding, but it's not a lot. It's not crazy, like crazy. I dealt with crazy shedding. And I mean, you also have to think that regardless, when you're dealing with weave, you're gonna get a little shedding. I'm feeling like I want to turn this hair into a bang. Like, I really feel like I want to turn it into like a whole little bang style. And when I do, I'm gonna come up on here and show you guys, you know, I'm gonna turn it up a lot. But I am done. So, like, subscribe, and share, and love you guys. Come through, okay? Because I got so much other things coming for y'all, okay? I'm coming for that ass.
You like it what you see. Everything designer, that's on me.